Hey guys, it's SoundKiller, and today I'm going to be using Vital to create some really cool dubstep sounds. So let's get started with the video. So I have a little simple here, Sawtooth shape. I'm going to move the mic a bit farther from me. And I'm going to destroy this, so I really like harmonic stretching, harmonic I think. So I want to create something like that with that. And I want to have a lot of bending, like maybe some bend plus. Bend minus sounds a lot better. And I want to high pass this, so maybe create something like this shape here. Create a little cool high pass. Yeah, that sounds really cool. And then maybe add the sub bass back with the same oscillator. Add some OTT. Some phaser. Some distortion. A high pass again. And maybe add a sub oscillator to this. That's really cool, and all of this is a saw wave and a sine wave filtered. Wow, that's crazy. Maybe we can also add some tonal delay to this. Yeah, that's a pretty sick bass, just using Vital here really quickly. So, wow, 4 minutes. Hopefully this is a really cool, simple video here, just to show off the power of Vital. Anyways, thanks for watching. Until next time.